In this short clip, I'm going to show you how to get the Master Marksman rune. This is Dun Morogh, and this is where it's located. Look for this hanging cage, and there's a rustling bush underneath. You put your hunter's mark on that bush, and it will pop a mob. Have a shootout with him. Watch out for any other creatures that might be adding. Once he's dead, loot the body to get the rune. Click it to learn it. Then if you open your character window, you'll see it there under runes, and you can put it on your chest piece, and that gives you increased crit and decreased mana cost.